That's sports.
Do it like this, do it like that. Do it like this, shot it, do it like that. Come on, do it like this, do it like that. Do it like this, shot it, do it like that.
Howdy guys, welcome to another YouTube episode on the Keep It Reet YouTube channel, and today we've got a new segment with a little bit of a review, a little bit of extra spicy content for you. And this is a car that may need no introduction, maybe a car you've seen circulating the internet already with that broken box video. So today we're with the man Adgee with his 1.5J S13. Oh, g'day, Moit.
Yeah, fucking
How you going, son?
Yeah,
Mr. Adgee here with your 1.5J S13. So, what's going on with this notorious video that's going around? What happened there?
No, you know, just...
How to blow 15K in less than 10 seconds.
Gearbox things, age things, second to third, explosions,
And,
internet, roasting by Saudis, you know.
So that video didn't come about by itself. I've actually seen you break a couple of boxes in your time.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a history with breaking things,
I've seen some of that in-car footage. It's either on or off.
Yeah, that's it. I did build the car to drive it, so got to drive it to its full potential.
So you do have, that box that you did have, that was a G-Force?
Yeah, G-Force GSR.
G-Force box, so one of the strongest boxes. So congratulations on that one. Probably one of the only few to achieve.
Yeah, true,
That's an achievement. Xbox 100%. Achievement
100%
down below.
Unlocked.
But yeah, so tell us a little bit. Do you want to pop this bonnet and show us what you got under there
we'll
first, I reckon? Give us a look, mate. Oof.
Like this, do it like that. Do it like this, shot it, do it like that. Come on, do it like this, do it like that. Do it like this, shot it, do it like that. Come on, do it like that.
So what do we got here, mate? 1.5J, tell us some of the goodies.
Spicy SR. No, I'm just kidding.
SR twanged.
It's 1.5JZ, just built motor, built head, 272, 274 cams. Oh no, 272, 278 cams.
Has to be exact spec.
Exactly.
Make sure it's exact.
Yeah.
Don't mislead anyone now, mate.
Okay, yeah.
Don't care. Put it down here.
Down the bottom.
Just put the whole spec list. Okay, it's shiny, it's purple,
spicy.
runs E85.
Yep.
What else? Got a
G-Force, yep. G30 900 turbo, G-Force GSR dog box. Yeah, about that.
ECU?
That's about it. Haltech Elite 750 ECU, just the basics.
Yeah, does the job.
Pretty
does the
basic.
job well.
Basic supporting mods.
Then the figure
just
everyone wants to know.
All the boosts, 500KW on 27 pounds, ran out turbo.
Not bad,
So
not
might
bad.
go a bit bigger one day, but for now it's plenty of power.
Yeah, very nice. Now, if you stick around for the video, we'll be getting some in-car shots and some on-track blaze, because this thing sounds premium. Because you do have the 6-boost manifold there.
Yeah, 6 boost.
And she's spicy. Anyway, I'll shut this down for badages. All right, so what else? So do you want to run us over the body, the styling?
The body is just a Origin 55mm front and rear guards, Origin streamline front bar, side skirts, rear bar, Origin canards, JSI Aero side skirt extensions, and just Bunnings special garden edging for the rear ones.
Beautiful.
Apart from that, it's got a Work GT5 concept, 3-piece, 18 by 10.5 neg 7, all round, really, 326 power spoiler.
A lot of Origin going on there. And then the styling, I really like the JDM style you're going for. Just like me, you've gone the reverse on
Just like you mean, just like me.
No, you copy me, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Don't come in here telling me. But I'm all about it.
Closest to that JDM styling, really.
Yeah.
That OG styling.
If you don't know why, I've mentioned it 100 times. The whole reason for the opposite on the other side is it just, all the logos, always, you might notice they slant a bit to the right. Yeesh. So if you put it on this side of the car, everything's going the wrong way. So you need that flow. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's why all the JDM boys run it. It's just symmetrical.
Yeah, it's symmetrical.
Looks identical both sides. If you're going to look about not being able to read it, I'm sure you'll go to the effort to find out what it says. Or most of the time you can just know what the logos say, or you just go around and have a look at the other side of the car. How about that? Who put this design together?
So Zach Dedman, D-Man Designs, he designed it, and Mark from Sequoia Media applied delivery.
Very nice. So we got, what else? We got suspension, interior.
Yeah. Shockworks suspension all round. Pretty much it. Black Arts Factory, cut and shut knuckles, rack forward, extended lower control arms, all the jazz. Rear end, so just got standard rear knuckles in it. Just your standard camber, adjustable toe, traction, etc.
You got upgraded diff in this one?
Yeah, full GDR rear, two-way in the rear,
Yes, nice.
4.1s.
And as you said, you've already got the G-Force dog box.
G-Force dog box.
What clutch do you run behind there?
Giken triple plate.
Yeah,
clutch.
Spice, yeah.
Spicy.
Similar to what we run some of the cars.
Yeah,
Solid
good
clutch.
Good clutch, nice and linear on the box, not too harsh driving.
So tell me, what actually happened when that box let go? Do you know?
I think the tail shaft just failed and the uni joint dropped. So failed on the diff side, and the uni joint dropped and just snapped the box clean in half.
That's
spontaneously. Yeah, just smashed it to pieces pretty much, like ripped a hole through the original tunnel and stuff like that. So it's, yeah.
Alright, so tell us a little bit how'd you get into drifting? How long have you been drifting for?
That sounds cliche, but probably started on the street when I was young, probably about 13, 14 years ago. Just went to a track day. A few of my mates bought K70s. I just remember like they were all ripping around the area in 4K K70s. And they invited me to a track day. Came to a track day and fell in love with the sport. Just wanted to get out there. I think the first car I ever drove was a borrowed 31 Skyline. I loved it, and then yeah, just from there I built a C80. The rest is history.
Just snowballed from there.
It's just that snowball effect.
Literally.
Yeah.
Spend more money, do more events.
Exactly.
Keep going.
$5,000 car, too expensive.
That's it.
Yeah.
No, that's good. So how long do you reckon you've been doing it for now?
Probably about 13 years.
Yeah, but I reckon that's real similar. I reckon we must have been into it.
I think you were still in your yellow 31 when I got into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I remember coming to an event, seeing your shallow ass.
Doing mass mungies.
Yeah, mass mungies, 2 kilometres per hour.
Sorry, at least I wasn't in the pits changing the bus.
So I was fanboying from the sidelines.
100%. All right, so what's inside the car? What have you done style-wise? Cage?
So basically, the bare minimum, full cage, Haltech dash, on-piece steering wheel, bride bucket seats, harnesses, gangster head unit for all the tunes. Oof. Where you're popping the tunes at 7,000 RPM.
Yeah. For when you're doing those interstate travels with the masses and the kids in the back.
That's about it, yeah.
Yeah, nice. So you're here today with us for a ride with a pro. So you'll be doing smashing out some laps. Age is a #1 supporter of our days, which we appreciate. We get him out doing the ride with a pro, so he can earn some cash. Also lose a lot of cash at the same time. But what other events do you drive? Like, are you doing any competition this year, or what's your plan?
Plan to do the Battle Royale series this year, so try and commit to the full series. I'm lucky enough to have some sponsors jump on board full time, so big shout out to Fawkner Wheels and Tyres for hooking up with me tyres throughout the year. My old man, Inner City Electrical, for just always supporting, and yeah, just all the other companies that make everything happen behind the scenes. But yeah, the plan is to do the Keep It Reet series, maybe dabble around a little bit in Haltech, maybe a round or two on Haltech, we'll see, and just all around just have fun.
Yeah.
Just do what the car's built to do and drive.
What's your main aim when you think about like drifting? Like, do you like the build? Do you like competing? Do you like trying to bang doors? Just getting as many laps as you can?
Yeah, it changes all the time. A bit of both. I want to get as much seat time as I can in this car, because obviously I've had quite a few issues over the years and I haven't done much driving in the last 3 to 4 years. So I just want to get as much seat time as I can, and then whatever comes from that comes from that. Like, I would like to get the car quite competitive again one day, but yeah, whatever the future holds, I don't know. Just for now, I'm just enjoying the moment.
It's definitely a solid package you've got going. And if I wind back those 3 or 4 years, I remember you did have, it was the same car, but just a different state.
Same car, but it was 1J, it wasn't, now it's 1.5, smaller turbo, smaller wheels, less grip, stuff like that.
Yeah, just sort of to suit the local series.
Yeah, just to suit those real local grassroots events and stuff like that.
Not sure if we had any of our battles together. I feel like we might have dodged each other a lot of the time.
Yeah, I think we battled Vic Drift, that's about it. Round 3, Vic Drift.
Age has also done alright in competitions back in the day. You got a few podiums back then and did alright in the series.
Yeah, did pretty well in the series. I think 2018 come second in the championship. Quite a few podiums.
So hit up your boy if you want to support him this year. Tag down here. Age EZ.
Age easy. Age Jay-Z.
Hit him up if you want to support my boy over this year's season and some of his driving. Click that link. Well, enough talking. Let's get you in that driver's seat and see what you can do behind the wheel.
Show you how a real man drives.
Worship, 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 worship. Oh my goddess. Yeah, she the hottest. Just plain and simple. I bring on out your Holy Spirit if I bless the temple. I slow it down, speed it up, yeah, switch the tempo. Just make sure when you bust it back, you pop it like a pimple. I know that's sexy. Ooh, you know I like it. Ooh, you so enticing. I'm so excited. Your boo is the bestest. Ooh, I wanna bite it. I can see it in your eyes. Don't deny it. I know you like it. I know you need that. And I'm supplying. Got that exclusive. And you should try it. The aura that I'm feeling chilling, it does something to me. I'm shooting half for shots, I miss it. Just forget you knew me. You know I need that. I can't deny it. And I will worship before I try it. Now I'ma break it down real simple. If you know inside, you control your mental. Flip my word upside down. Fresh prince, I've been praying to her presence ever since. She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Body is a temple. In a trance, the way she dance, she got me hypnotized. That my tongue get wildin' out. Now what's this all about? I took some shots, she took some shots. She's standing up, I'm falling out. I hit the ground, she climbed on top and said these words to me. This different, if you taste it, you gon' worship me. These pretty, see them bounce and sit up perfectly. You see my head, you spin my seat again. I did this purposely. Now you gon' pay like you wait, just like your rent do. And pray twice a day, cause for your info, she said my body is a temple. Now I'ma break it down real simple. If you go inside, you control your mental. Damn the sentence, flip my word upside down. Fresh prince, I've been praying to her presence ever since. She make me wanna worship.
That was some A-grade drift right there.
She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Body is a temple. I never.
Oh, what are we doing? Yeah, media stuff. His camera's dying. Alright, so that's it for our day. Mr. Age Panaro blazing. First time ever someone taken home 2 trophies.
Which one do you want?
What did you get?
Blaze Master.
Blazemaster and what?
Biggest entry.
That's rigged.
Stole that one off.
My entry was definitely better. Might not have a rear end anymore. Yeah, what happened? Corey, fix it. Anyway, killer driving.
Thank you very much.
How'd you go over the night?
Yeah, good. Probably the best I've driven in a while. Car felt good, solid, got heaps and heaps of laps. Ready for the Battle Royale round 1. Should be good.
Yeah, it's ready to go. You only had little dramas, just little.
Yeah, a couple, yeah. I bent a tie rod because I was shallow boy. I think it was behind you.
Yeah, bro.
Like doing mad scrapies along the wall and stuff.
100%.
100%.
Man, solid car and solid driving. So that's it for Age Panaro's 1.5J S13. So make sure you smack that like for Age Panaro. Comment about his bum bag or his street driving or something.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, Dada. I'll see you next time. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
I never saw this coming, but it's happening. I hit it once and tried to quit, but now I'm back again. It's like I'm in jail in a cell, from inhaling her smell. I can't tell if this hell.